This is the Cell Phone Show.
Blindshell. Yeah. What's up once again, peoples? This is your man Adrian, aka Drizza. Just come out and do another quick demo for the Cell Phone Show. Now, this particular demonstration, I will be doing a continuation of me demoing the Roku app on the blindshell classic3. Now, if you haven't heard the first part, I recommend listening to that. It's called Rockin the Roku app part 1, and I pretty much tell what the Roku is, what it does, and I show and break down the layout of the Roku app on the classic3. So check that out first, and then come back to this one, because it will be easier to follow along when I'm going through the functions within this app. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this one. Let's get it. All right, fellow shellers, I'm about to get ready to demo this Roku app on the blindshell. I will be controlling the Roku TV that's in my bedroom. Everything I show here can be applied to any other Roku device. Now, before we get started, you will be hearing two different screen readers. You'll hear the screen reader on the blindshell itself, as well as the screen reader on the Roku. I'm going to open up the Roku app. Roku.
Opening the Roku app official. Loading shimmer. 1 of 5.
All right, I'm going to down bar to the bottom.
Watch on T account. 5 of 5.
Then I'm going to up bar to remote.
Devices. New notification. 4 of remote. 3 of 5.
I'm going to press OK on that.
Remote. Close remote.
All right, now that we're officially in this remote, I'm only using the button. The only buttons we need to use is the up bar, down bar, the OK button, and the back button. Let me start off from the top real quick on the blindshell.
Roku device. Bedroom.
I down bar the Roku device. It's already on bedroom.
Power.
Here goes the power button. So my Roku's already turned on. I'm going to press OK to turn this off.
Power.
Powering off.
Now you just heard my Roku say powering off. That's the screen reader you heard. Now to turn it back on, I'm just going to press OK on this power button.
Power.
In main menu, home button 1 of 5.
And there it goes. My Roku's turned back on. Now this say like you want to know how to turn on and off the screen reader on the Roku. Just down bar to the option button. I'm about to do that.
Button. Up right button. Down button. Instant replay. Options.
Right there, the option button. When you press the OK button 4 times on this, it'll turn off the screen reader.
Options.
Screen reader disabled.
It says screen reader disabled. And if you want to turn it back on, just press the OK button 4 times quickly.
Options.
Screen reader enabled. In main menu, home button 1 of 5.
You hear that? The screen reader's back on. Now, when you first initially turn on the Roku, it usually starts out on the main home screen. And if you're not sure you're on there, you can just press your home button. So let me arrow back up to that.
In down button. Right up button. Home.
There you go right there. I'm going to press OK on this.
Home.
In main menu, home button 1 of 5.
And that takes me back to the main home screen of the Roku. I'm going to arrow down to my cursor buttons. So let me down bar to that.
Up button. OK button. Right button. Down button.
And I'm about to go down through this list that's on this home screen.
Down button.
In main menu, what to watch button 2 of 5.
What to watch.
Down button.
In main menu, streaming store button 3 of 5.
Streaming store.
Down button.
Search button. In main menu, search button 4 of 5.
Search button.
Down
Settings
button.
button 5 of 5.
Settings.
Down button.
Home. In main menu, home button 1 of 5.
And it cycles back around the home. So you use your up and down buttons to maneuver through this vertical list. Now, if you want to get inside of a menu, you have to arrow down to the OK button.
Left button. OK button.
Right there. Or you can arrow down to the
Right button.
right button right there. So since I'm on this home,
OK button.
I want to press the OK button.
OK button.
Apps on input section with 44 items, 3 columns by 15 rows. Spectrum TV button, column 1, row 1.
And that brings me into the list of my apps. There's like 3 apps per row. I start off on the Spectrum TV app,
Right button.
and I'm going to go to the right. Press OK on that.
Right button.
Live TV button, column 2.
There goes Live TV.
Right button.
Fire TV HDMI 1 button, column 3.
There goes my Fire TV. I have the Fire TV plugged into my HDMI, so I got the best of both worlds.
Down button.
I'm going to press the down bar button.
Down button.
Max button, row 2.
There goes Mac.
Right button. OK button.
I'm going to go back to the left.
Button. Left button.
Prime video button, column
There goes Prime Video,
Left button.
YouTube button, column 1.
YouTube.
OK button. Right button. Down button.
I'm going down to the next row.
Down button.
Netflix button, row 3.
There goes Netflix.
Right button.
I'm going to go to the right.
Right button.
Disney Plus button, column
Disney Plus.
Right button.
Hulu button, column
Hulu. All right, let's say like I want to open up one of these apps. Let me arrow back up to the Spectrum app.
Up button.
Netflix button, row 3. YouTube button, row 2. Spectrum TV button, row 1.
Now, if you didn't know, Spectrum and Roku, they teamed up a few years ago now, maybe about 8 to 10 years ago. And the Spectrum TV app is accessible for the blind. So I'm going to press OK to load this up.
OK button.
Launching Spectrum TV.
Now it's launching Spectrum TV.
Loading.
Sits down with his here legs. I want to get to one of the things that's written on this card because it can get lost on a night where the league.
And I have this on ESPN right here.
It's a party in this building and it's a blowout. When it wasn't a blowout, the McConnell.
Get more info. Button 1 of 1. Press OK to select.
Now let me arrow down to the volume buttons on the blind shell.
All over the floor.
Just when you think you've seen him at his best in this series, he comes in and does it again, and you and I are sitting next to each other watching.
Now I'm pressing OK on the volume down.
Volume down. Volume down.
See, just turn down the volume. If I want to go to the mute button,
Volume mute.
there goes volume mute. I can press OK on that,
Volume mute.
and it just got through muting the Roku. If I want to unmute, I just press OK.
Volume mute.
Now I'm unmuted. If I want to turn it back up, arrow down to the volume up,
Volume down. Volume up.
and press OK to turn it up.
Volume up. Volume up. Volume up.
The
Volume up.
guys in that
Volume up.
category,
Volume up.
everything the
Volume
guy
up.
does, this
Volume up.
place erupts, and he gets.
Okay, let's look around the spectrum map a little bit. I'm going to arrow back up to the back button.
For significant, the second 12 minutes in this game, 36 to 17 for the home team. They led by 20 at the half, by 30.
Press OK on that.
They cruise to the victory.
Press 1 of 9. Press OK to select.
Okay, it says home right there. There's a horizontal list right here.
Pacers wins, that's the
Left button.
stage
Okay
for the
button. Right
I'm
button.
going to go to the right.
Right button.
Live TV.
There goes live TV.
And the
Right
first
button.
is
Live Jump 9.
There goes the guide.
Right button.
My library. Jump.
There goes my library.
that block.
Right button.
Video store. Jump 6.
There goes the video store.
Right button.
Search. Jump 7 of 9.
Search,
Right button.
Settings. Jump 8 of 9.
settings,
Bucket.
Right button.
Exit app. Jump 9 of 9.
and exit app. Let me go back to the left.
Button.
The third
Up
of
button.
game 4. They're
Left
up
button.
30.
Left
It's the
button.
third
Left
largest.
button.
Search. Jump 7 of 9.
Left button.
Video store. Jump 6 of 9. On demand. Jump 5 of 9.
Left
My library. Jump 4 of 9. Live. Jump 3 of 9.
This is how I want to go on the guide.
Up button. Left button. Okay
I'm
button.
going to press OK on that.
As for the Thunder, 3-2 in winner take all since they moved.
Live. Burn time at 2:23 a.m. Currently filtered for all channels. Channel 36. ESPN 18. Nothing. Score center with Scott and Pelt. Start.
Okay, there you go. ESPN, Scott Van Pelt.
Filter. Press right. Left. Down.
Left
Start to
button.
review.
Up button.
I'm going to up bar.
20, it's Obi Toppin. Congratulations.
Channel 35. TNT. Cold Case. Season 1.
There goes channel 35, TNT, cold case is on. So this is how I want to change to that.
Left button. Okay
I'm
button.
going to OK on that,
Okay
How
button.
do you just
and it changes the channel to TNT.
Right button. Last
Let me
item.
turn this up a little bit.
Recent
And
app
also
revoked.
South Jersey
Volume
and
up.
Delaware cops are on your ass too.
Volume up.
Am I under arrest?
No. You're free to go.
So that's a little bit of the Spectrum TV app.
No.
So let me back out of this. I'm going to go to the home button.
Play read headphone
We have
option.
copies of your
Down,
trucking
right, okay,
logs, credit card
up button.
receipts, day-to-day math.
Home button 1 of 5.
Okay, I just pressed OK on the home button. It'll take me back to the main home screen. So now, this is like I want to go to the live channel. Let me arrow up to that on the blind shell.
Home live back. Live TV guide.
Live TV guide right here. When you press OK on this, this will boot up the Roku app and take you to the live channel within the Roku app. Now, when you're watching live channels, it pretty much boots up a show, and that show is on reruns like 24/7 throughout the whole day. So I'm going to press OK.
Live TV
Watching
guide.
live TV. In PG Guide Center Stage Page Pro. Topics for you. Leave it to Beaver. 1 of 10.
And it's loading up.
little competitive spirit.
I think a boy
Last show I was on was Leave It to Beaver.
has competitive spirit.
All right. I'll just have to settle for a nuclear scientist.
And I can adjust the volume to this as well. Let me arrow back down on the blind shell.
Last item. 15 recent app. Fast forward. Fast forward. Volume
Yep. 4 of 10.
Volume down. Volume down.
I'm turning it down.
Volume mute.
If I want to mute it, press OK.
Volume mute.
If I want to unmute, press OK.
Volume mute.
If I want to turn it up, down bar to the volume up button.
Volume down. Volume up. Volume up.
There it go.
Volume down. Volume mute.
All right, let me mute that real quick.
Volume mute.
Now, when you're watching shows in real time like this on this live channel within the Roku, you're not able to pause or rewind or fast forward anything. These are live, so they just constantly play over and over. I believe they have all 6 seasons of Leave It to Beaver on here.
Volume mute.
Let's say like I back out of this.
Fast lane pause. Head options. Instant down right button. Okay, but left button. Up home. Home.
In main menu. Home button.
Let me turn that volume back up a little bit.
Watching. Last item. Recent app. Volume up. Volume up.
Now let's boot up.
Apps on input section with 44 items. 3 columns by 15 rows. Spectrum TV.
Let's go to
Column
YouTube.
Row 1.
Right button. Down button. Down button.
YouTube button. Row 1.
Okay, there go YouTube right there. I'm going to press OK on this.
Okay button.
Launching YouTube.
Launching YouTube.
Adrian Stewart at least 97 button.
There go Adrian Stewart. I'm going to press OK on that.
Okay button.
Recommended row. The wilderness from PetSmart. Packed with protein to help and bake on the wall. Sponsored. Bill
Okay,
PetSmart.
button,
16
right button,
seconds.
down
Press and
button.
hold for ad options. Button 1 of 6 or more.
Let me down on the down button.
Down button.
Recently uploaded, bro. Lakers sold for $10 million. Looking forward to win championships. But first things first. 96 views below 8 hours ago. 9 minutes, 40 seconds.
All right, let's see what they're saying on this. First things first. This is a show on Fox Sports. Okay on that.
Okay button.
Ending 14. Sponsored. Ending 14.
Now this is a YouTube ad playing, and sometimes you can skip these when it pops up. Let's see here. All right, look like this is steady going to play real quick.
The Lakers are an amazing.
All right, here we go.
Looking forward to meeting Mark and excited about the future. Also grateful to Jeannie and the Bus family for welcoming me.
So when you're on YouTube, we're able to pause this and rewind and fast forward if we want to.
I look forward to.
So since I'm still on the OK button,
win championships.
I can press OK.
Exclamation point.
Video progress bar 17 seconds of 9 minutes, 39
It says I'm 17 seconds in. If I press OK again,
I think this is great.
Video progress bar 23 seconds of 9 minutes, 39 seconds.
Okay button.
Pause.
it pauses. If I press OK again,
Okay
This
button.
is not. I think Jeannie
it unpause it.
was a fine owner.
And I can do the same thing if I arrow down to the
She was one of the best. She does seem to be. I had very little.
this play pause right here. I can press OK.
Was always pleasant.
Video progress bar 40 seconds of 9 minutes, 39 seconds.
It
Pause.
pauses. If I press OK to unpause,
Play
And
pause.
she's been around her a lot.
She's a really nice girl.
if I want to rewind,
Especially,
I can press
and it
OK on
seems
that.
like the bar for being a nice person among
Video progress bar 46 seconds of 9 minutes, 39 seconds.
Press OK again.
Rewind.
Skip back 10 seconds, 40 seconds. of
Skips
9
back 10
minutes, 39
seconds.
Press select to resume from
Go
here.
back to play pause.
Play pause.
Dad was always
Loading.
pleasant. And, it seems
And
like
now it
she's been around
plays.
her a lot.
She's a really nice girl.
Let's say I want to fast forward.
Especially,
Go to fast forward.
It's like the bar for being.
Press OK.
Progress bar 45 seconds of 9 minutes.
Press OK
39
again.
seconds.
Fast forward.
Skip ahead 10 seconds, 59 seconds of 9 minutes.
Press OK
39 seconds.
again.
Press select
Fast
to-
forward.
Skip ahead 20 seconds, 1 minute, 9 seconds of 9 minutes.
So now you just keep pressing OK on how much you want to fast forward.
Fast forward.
Skip ahead 30 seconds, 1 minute.
Fast forward.
Skip ahead 40 seconds. 1
Skip
minute,
ahead 40
39 seconds of 9
seconds.
Fast
minutes.
forward.
Skip ahead 50 seconds, 1 minute,
Fast
30.
forward.
Skip ahead 1 minute, 49 seconds of 9 minutes, 39 seconds. Press select to resume from here. Go back to cancel.
Now I'm going to arrow back up to the play pause. Press OK.
Play pause.
Loading.
When it is and you were relying on a lot of literal friends and family. Jeannie's siblings, the Rambis
So that's YouTube.
family,
The Rambis.
So let's back out of that.
And so
Rewind from options. Instant
it's
options.
not going to be
Down right. Okay
the
button.
Dodgers.
Home.
There's no salary.
Home button 1 of 5.
All right, so now we're back on the main home screen. So I'm going to go back.
Okay button.
Apps on input section with 44 items.
Right
3
button.
columns by 15
Down
rows.
button.
Spectrum TV button.
Down
Column 1. YouTube button. Roku.
Down button.
Netflix button. Roku.
Right button.
Disney Plus button.
There goes Disney Plus. Let me load that up.
Okay button.
Launching Disney Plus.
Launching Disney Plus.
Loading. Please wait. On the home screen. Home with their original series button. 1 of 15.
All right, now I'm on the home screen of Disney Plus. Let me down bar.
Live TV. Home. Up button. Left button. Okay button. Right button.
Spidey and
Down
Disney's
button.
Friends button.
Down
3 of
button.
15. 2 hours 19 minutes remaining. Spider-Man trademark across the Spider-Verse rated PG.
Okay, there goes Spider-Man across the Spider-Verse.
Animation on
Okay,
select
button,
details on this title.
okay.
Button.
Let me OK on that.
Okay button.
Loading. On the Spider-Man trademark across the Spider-Verse details screen.
And let's play a little bit of that.
Spider-Man trademark across the Spider-Verse
Okay,
rated
button.
PG 4K Ultra HD HDR10 5.0.
Press OK on that.
CC audio description 2023 2 hours 20 minutes 26 seconds. Superheroes action and adventure in multi. In Disney Plus loading. Dynamic range content is on. Resuming. Spider-Man trademark across the Spider-Verse.
Let's do things differently this time. Like, so different.
PG 4 sequences of animated.
Let's turn that up a little bit.
Last
His
item.
name is
Exit
Miles
remote.
Morales.
Volume down. Volume up. Volume up.
He
Volume up.
was
Volume up.
bitten by a radioactive spider. And he's not the only one.
Okay, let me pause this real quick.
Volume. Fast forward. Play pause. Rewind.
He hasn't
Play
always
pause.
had it
Play
easy.
pause.
Paused at 142 hours.
Now let me show you, this is just playing regular, but let me show y'all how we can turn on audio description within this Disney Plus. I'm gonna go to the option button.
Options.
That's that same button that we use to turn on and off the screen reader. So I'm just gonna press the OK button.
Options.
In settings, sleep timer button 1 of 5.
It comes up with this menu.
Instant read down button.
I'm going down bar.
Down button.
Picture settings button 2 of 5.
There goes picture settings,
Down button.
Sound settings button 3 of 5.
sound settings.
Down button.
Accessibility and language button 4 of 5.
There goes accessibility and language.
Right button.
I'm going right inside of that.
Right button.
In accessibility and language, closed captioning is set to off button 1 of 8. Is on or off.
Down button.
Down by the down bar.
Button.
Captioning track is set to English button 2 of 8.
Down button.
Audio track is set to English button 3 of 8.
There goes audio track.
Support.
Right button.
I'm going right inside of that.
Right button.
In audio track, English radio button selected to free.
English.
Okay button. Left button. Up button.
Let me up bar.
Button.
English radio button not selected 1 of 3. Audio descriptions, press OK to confirm change.
There goes English audio description.
Left button. Okay button.
So I'm going OK on that.
Okay button.
In accessibility and language, audio track is set to English button 3 of 8. Additional audio support.
Now when I go back playing this movie, it'll have audio description on this Spider-Man across the Spider-Verse.
Left button. Okay button.
so I can press OK to play.
OK button.
Playing at 143 hours. Loading, please wait.
1. Gwen covers her own spider bite. A glimpse shows the Prowler.
He hasn't always had it easy.
The Prowler removes his mask, revealing himself as Miles' Uncle Aaron.
You hear the audio description?
As
There you go.
Spider-Man, Miles watches Aaron die.
And he's not the only one.
Miles' father, Jeff, finds Aaron's corpse. Miles sits alone.
And now he's on his own.
He wears a black Spidey suit with red accent lines on the sides.
Okay, that's enough of that.
Right button.
And he's not the only one.
Gwen reveals herself to Miles.
And once again, I can pause, rewind, fast forward through all this.
Can't put a
Let
price.
me back out of all this.
Rewind phone options. Right OK button. Left
I mean,
Jump button 1 5.
guide.
All right, so now we're back on the main home screen of the Roku. That's the demo of the Roku app on the blindshell Classic 3. I pretty much showed how we could turn on and off the Roku, how to turn on and off the screen reader, how to maneuver through the menus. I pulled up the different apps that we can access on the Roku. You can use this app on any Roku device. It doesn't matter if it's a Roku stick, Roku Express, Roku Ultra, or in this case, even Roku TVs. You can download this app from the Aurora store. The one that I downloaded is called the Roku app Official. And once again, it is free. So before we get out of here real quick, let me mention a few things. Number 1, let me list the apps that I know that are accessible on the Roku. We have Spectrum TV, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, HBO Max, Disney Plus, Paramount Plus, Peacock TV, Stars, Pluto TV, Tubi, and the Roku channel. And the majority of the major ones do have audio description. Number 2, everything I showed here within this Roku app that I was doing on the blindshell, I'm able to do the same thing using the actual Roku physical remote. I actually move faster on the actual remote itself if you don't mind memorizing buttons. But this Roku app is another option if you want to have every single button read out to you with the screen reader when you're airing through the app. Number 3, let me throw this in here because I know somebody's going to ask. That's not the sound of the built-in speakers on the TV that you're hearing in this demo. I actually have a pair of Roku wireless TV speakers paired to my Roku TVs. They connect through the Wi-Fi. Those speakers only work with Roku TVs. You're not able to pair those with the Roku sticks or the Ultras or the Expresses. You can check them out as well as Roku devices through InnoSearch and the different vendors they have on there if you're interested in any of those things. And number 4, the Roku is another viable option for the blind to be able to use if you want to stream movies and TV shows. Like I said before, the quality of the screen reader may not be as clear as the Apple TV and the Fire Stick, but it's good enough to get the job done. So hope y'all enjoyed that. Any questions, just hit me up at drizza17@att.net. That's DRIZA17@att.net. Peace. This has been the Shell Phone Show, where you can learn everything about the Classic series of phones.